Senator John Cornyn visiting Waco today to see firsthand how the CARES Act is helping the community amid the COVID-19 pandemic. Fox 44's Noelle Mendoza was there today as he toured the Family Health Center. Noelle, how's the CARES Act helping locally?
Adam, $78.5 million. That's how much Waco and McLennan County has received in funding from the CARES Act. That money going to local health care facilities, schooling, and transportation. Senator Cornyn says he's fighting for a second relief bill, but his Democratic opponent, MJ Hegar, says we need more answers.
It sounds like the House is going to move a bill very soon.
Texas Senator John Cornyn, standing before a number of community leaders, says he's confident a second relief bill is likely.
If in fact people are serious about coming up with another package, we ought to be able to do that by next week sometime.
He toured the Family Health Center in Waco and thanked health workers for the work they're doing to combat COVID-19.
How are you?
Other city officials like Waco ISD Chief of Staff Kyle DeBeer, Mayor Pro Tem Andrea Barefield, McLennan County Judge Scott Felton, and Baylor University President Dr. Linda Livingstone spoke about how the CARES Act has helped the community.
We are deeply grateful for the CARES Act funding and what it allowed us to do to help our students and their families.
However, some, like Senator Cornyn's Democratic opponent MJ Hegar, say when it comes to the CARES Act, there's no transparency.
I want to know where that money's going. I'm concerned about the fact that 95% of minority-owned businesses that applied for PPP loans didn't get them. I want to make sure that there's, no corruption or nepotism in where that money's going. I suspect there is.
Cornyn says $20 billion from the CARES Act went into Texas alone. But when it comes to unemployment benefits, he's worried a lot of people are getting paid more not to work.
We wanted to replace wages. We didn't want to make it better than wages. And so that's where some of the disagreement came down.
Nobody would choose to do that. That if you're not going back to work, it's not because you're living high on the hog on your unemployment benefits. It's because you don't want to get your family sick.
Cornyn is facing off against Hegar in the November 3rd general election. You can find a breakdown of the CARES Act allocations in our area on our website, fox44news.com. In the studio, Noelle Mendoza, Fox 44 News.